How to create an outline around your art in Procreate. First, flatten your final art layers, then duplicate that layer. Next, go to Adjustments and click Hue Saturation Brightness. Go to Brightness and reduce it to 0%. Go back to Adjustments and click on Gaussian Blur. Slide your stylus to the right until you get a nice blur. For me, it was 14%. Now click on the Selection tool. Make sure that it is set on Automatic. Select the background, then click on Invert. From there, create a new layer, press on it, then select Fill Layer and choose whatever color you want. Turn the Gaussian Blur layer off and move the new layer below your final art. Now there's a bold outline around your graphic. In this case, it's the same as the line work. To make it stand out and helpful for creating die-cut stickers, fill the outline layer with white. And those are the steps on how to create an outline around your art in Procreate.